Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I went to Hobby Lobby to pick up some gems and I brought these home. These pearls they're like the off-white color and they were $1.99 and the Paper Studio this week is 40% off. So I paid a dollar, let me see, $1.19 on this one. And then this one here, you get 5 different sizes. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I like it. And then I also picked up this one. And then this one was $2.99. And there's the number. And I paid $1.79 for this one. And see there? I like them. These pearls here are just a bit smaller than the smallest one on the 5-piece. I needed some really tiny pearls for a project and I realized I did not have any, so that's why I picked those up. I also brought these home and then here's the number if you need it. Regular price $3.99. And I paid, what did I pay? $1 and, oh no, I'm sorry, at $2.39. Because I did buy several items that were $3.99 and they just all bunched them together on the receipt. But here, look at this. You get 5 different colors. And I plan to just separate these and use them as individuals. And then the other one I picked up is this one. There's the number if you need it. Look at that. This is like a white pearl or white gem with an iridescent finish. See there? I like. Okay, and then I picked up some washies also. Look at these. Pretty. These washies were all regular price at $3.99, but I picked them up because they're all floral. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? I just love the floral print and I love the colors that they chose. This one has mushrooms and ferns and just like teardrops on that one. And then this one. Now this one's 1.18 inch wide and it's all floral. Look at that. Isn't that nice? I needed some floral washies, so I picked those up. And the last 2 items that I picked up from Hobby Lobby are ribbons. And these are Valentine ribbons. They are 3/8 of an inch by 10 yards. Regular price at $3.99 and Valentine is still at 40% off. And I like this. Look at these hearts. They have that metallic finish. I'm not sure if they're actually glued on or I don't know how they did it, but it looks stunning. I picked that one up and then I also picked up this one. Let's see, the white one is on a satin ribbon and then this red one is the grosgrain ribbon and the stitching, the white hearts right down the center. And then this is also 3/8 inch wide by 10 yards. I like those. I'm quite happy I stopped by at my Hobby Lobby and I was able to find my tiny pearls. Look at these adorableness. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas and I will see you next time.